So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the purl stitch when you're knitting in Eastern or in Russian knitting style. We're going to be holding our working yarn in our left hand. I've wrapped it around my index finger a couple of times, and also the work is in our left hand, other needle in the right hand, and we are going to insert the right needle into the first stitch from right to left, and then we are going to grab our working yarn from left to right, pull the stitch through and slip it over to the right needle. So again, right needle goes into the stitch, and then we are going to grab our working yarn and pull it over to our right needle. If we were knitting Western style, we would be inserting our needle just the same way, but we would be wrapping our yarn around the needle from right to left and pull it through that way. Versus in Eastern style, you just pick the yarn from left to right, right? So continental or Western style knitting would be like this. Eastern style, just like that. It's a very simple and easy technique that doesn't involve any unnecessary movement, and your wrists and fingers won't get tired as quickly. It's a lot more efficient and faster, and the results are going to look exactly the same if you were knitting in Western style.